Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of W99 Plus. This is basically a copy version of Apple Watch Series 9. It comes with an AMOLED display and 45mm case size, so you can put original Apple Watch Series 9 cover case. And as you can see, it's from Microware and you can buy this on AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing. I 100% recommend you to buy from this seller. So let's just see what's inside the box. First we have a quick menus guide, as you can see, quick start guide, which is in Chinese language, and we don't actually need that, so I'm gonna plug that to the side. And let's see what else we have in the box. Sorry about my voice, guys. Actually, I'm having a flu, and that's why I couldn't make any more videos. So as you can see, we have a charging dock inside the box, and we have a watch. I ordered this in black color. You can order this in different color like silver as well. So let me just peel this from the back side. And it looks really premium. As you can see, on the right hand side we have crown key and power button, and on the left side, if I turn that around, as you can see, we have a speaker grill. And on the back side, as you can see, we also have different sensors, and there is also a plastic. Let me remove that first. So as you can see, let me turn this on and see if we have any battery life. So as you can see, we have a new watch face. So let me just go into menu and show you the model number by going into settings and then universal. Let me just show you about, and as you can see, here's the device name and firmware version. I'm really liking the display so far, and the crown key feedback is also looking nice. And let me just show you how many watch faces we are getting pre-installed. These are all the watch faces that it is pre-installed, and you can download more watch faces in M Active Pro application. So as you can see, this also looks really nice on AMOLED display, and the color of this display is amazing, guys. And as you can see, we have palm gesture as well. So let me show you another menu style in this one, and by pressing the crown key and double tapping, you can change the menu style. As you can see, this is a list view. Here is another menu style, and it is not smooth as compared to HK9 Pro Plus, but in this price range I'm not complaining actually. So the touchscreen is really good compared to other clone smartwatches. So overall, I really like the display quality, and as you can see, the color looks really vibrant. So let me just show you, let me just put that to the stock, and if I swipe from the down, as you can see, we have a menu stack, and which is similar to watchOS 10, and you can edit the widgets as well. So you can remove and add it as per your liking. And sorry about my voice, guys. I'm actually having a flu, so that's why I couldn't make any more videos on YouTube. So I do apologize for that. And here it is, a compass, as you can see. So let me just show you another let's check out the heart rate application. Is it accurate compared to HK9 Ultra 2? Because HK9 Ultra 2, it is using a fake sensor. So let's see. It's not actually picking up the table, which is nice actually. But guys, as you can see, let me just put my fingers here, and let's see if it's gonna pick or not. So it is taking actually a lot of time, but as you can see, now we have a reading. But as soon as I put my fingers away, as you can see, please try again. So that means it is using a real sensor. I hope that it is using a real sensor. I'm not 100% sure, but HK9 Ultra 2, it is also picking the reading of table as well. So here it is a sports mode, and you can also connect your Bluetooth earbuds in this one as well. So which is a great feature in my opinion. They should have put this feature in HK9 Ultra 2 as well and HK9 Pro Plus. So it has 2 gigabytes of internal storage. So if I just swipe to the right, as you can see, we have different applications. You can add your own widget as well. There are 2 applications that you can add. Let me add calculator, and let's see how it looks like. So it is looking really good actually, and as you can see the touch screen, I'm really impressed by the touch screen as well. So in this price range, I think it is the best clone in my opinion if you want to buy. So let's see what other things we have. Let me just first connect it to M Active Pro, and let me just pick up my phone. And as you can see, if I go to M Active Pro application, it's really easy to pair this watch as well. And now it's connected, as you can see. So let's see how many watch faces we are getting. Actually, in M Active Pro application, guys, there are a ton of watch faces which is free compared to a Wear Fit Pro application. So I wish that they add more watch faces to HK9 Pro Plus or an HK9 Ultra 2, as compared to, as you can see, in M Active Pro we have tons of watch faces, guys, and most of them are free and the other ones are paid. But as you can see, I wish they add more watch faces in HK9 Ultra 2. I hope in the future we will see more watch faces. And at this rate, they are not even, releasing new firmware updates as well. So as you can see, a lot of watch faces we have in this M Active Pro application. Still it is loading more watch faces, as you can see if I scroll down. And as you can see, notifications are also working. So let me just delete this one. And the display, guys, is really good, as you can see in the video as well. I really like the display in this clone as well. And it is using a 45mm case size, so you can put original Apple Watch Series 9 case in this one, which is also good. So let me just go back, and you can customize, you can set your customized watch face as well, and you can change the phone color, as you can see. So let me just ignore this update, and let's see what else we have in this watch. And it also have motion gestures games, as you can see. If I move my hand, as you can see, it is working really well, and you can play this in application market in M Active Pro. So they have different type of games, and this is really a cool feature. So I really like this one. And the wrist to wake feature is also working really nice. So as you can see, the apps market, I don't know if it's a glitch in HK9 Ultra 2 apps market is also not working. So let me know in the comment section below if your app market is not working. I don't know what is wrong with the clone smartwatches application market these days, but let me know in the comments down below if you are facing the same issue with the HK9 Ultra 2 and HK9 Pro Plus. So overall, guys, the watch is really good. The build quality is amazing in my opinion, and it is using a real 45mm case. So let me just quickly change the band and put the one that comes with it. So it's also really easy to change these bands, and you can put original Apple Watch Series 9 bands as well. So let me just show you quickly how you can do that. So this is black silicone strap came with it. It also looks really good, as you can see. So as you can see, it looks really good, and this watch face, I also really like this watch face. So overall, I 100% recommend you to buy this. Link is in the description, guys. A seller is Zorwing. He's one of the best and most reliable seller on AliExpress. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.